Okay, hey guys, hope you guys are doing good. So, at my dinner, I started to include a simple salad of spinach, cabbage, and some paneer, or what we say, cheese. You can, just put it and boil it for a while, and once they are perfectly boiled, just take it out, and you can just sprinkle some salt, black pepper, or maybe chaat masala, and then it's ready to used. You can eat it during dinner or breakfast, or anytime you feeling a little bit hungry. I think it's a great way to increase your fiber intake in your diet. Have fun. So my Saturday dinner is consist of rice, that basmati rice. I just cooked for one, and chicken and some salad. Yes, the salad is made of spinach and cabbage mixed with cottage cheese that you can find in the local store, and rice. My favorite chicken. Yes, and that's all. Bon appetit. Thanks for watching.